Hi guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to the TheFigHome. For today, I have a vlog for you guys. So I'm actually getting ready because my family is coming over this weekend. I have both my parents coming, my aunt, uncle, and my little cousin. They're gonna come visit me. It's Mother's Day weekend. Today is Friday, so they are gonna leave California around 2 p.m. So they should be getting here to Vegas like around 7, maybe 8, depending on traffic. But I actually asked for today off so that I can clean my whole house and get it ready for my family. So I thought I would bring you guys along. I'm also gonna run a little bit of errands, so I thought I would bring you guys along. This morning I did wake up early. It's so hard for me to wake up late because I'm so used to waking up at 3, 4 in the morning every day for work. So when I actually have the day off, I still wake up early. I woke up like around 7 and I couldn't go back to sleep anymore. So I got up, I got ready, I did my makeup, my hair. I dressed in like a very like comfy outfit just so I could clean, and I decided to vlog for you guys. So when I have family coming over, I actually prioritize the rooms differently than I normally do when I'm just cleaning like on a regular weekend. So for example, the first thing I'm gonna clean is my room where I do my makeup, because this is where we keep the day bed and this is where my parents are gonna stay. So I actually started yesterday washing the sheets, and today I'm still washing like the blankets, the comforter that go on top. So let me show you guys what the room looks like right now. It's looking a little chaotic right now. So this is the day bed, and it actually extends into a queen size bed. So these are the two mattresses right here. I had to like take the mattress off so I can remove the sheets and wash those. And so now that the sheets are clean and all the pillowcases are clean, I'm gonna start putting that. And then this is where I do my makeup. So I just finished getting ready, like I said. Not my bra being right there. That's funny. But I just finished doing my makeup, so I kind of cleaned up a little, but I have to wipe it down, put all like my random stuff away. Then this corner is just like a bunch of throw pillows that I'm not really using at the moment, and so I just need to put those in my closet. I don't know if I've shown my closet before, but this is my coat closet. I have so many jackets, so this is where I keep them. And then I do have like these I don't know what they're called, but these storage things up here with all my blankets and like sheets and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna make all this random stuff fit in the closet. And then I do have this random Sephora bag here. So I actually got my mom and my aunt a little like present for Mother's Day. So I'm currently in like my skincare era, so I decided to also put them on. So I got them this little set from Supergoop, and it has all the SPF faves. So I love Supergoop, so I thought this was like the perfect way of introducing the brand to them. So I got one for my mom, one for my aunt, and then I did get myself like the full size just because I have to restock. I love using this one. It's the Mineral Matte Screen, and it's basically like a primer, and it mattifies your skin, but it has SPF 40. So I really like using this because sunscreen is usually oily, so it's nice under makeup. And then I also love this. It's called Resetting Refreshing Mist, and it's SPF 40. And I bought this mini size first, and I loved it. You basically can spray this on your face anytime you're gonna go out in the sun, and it has SPF 40. So this is perfect if you wear makeup, because like for example, I love wearing this when I have like 20 minutes left from work. I'll spray it, and then when I leave work, I'm like protected. So it's nice. I recommend you guys try this out. But these are what's basically in these bags. but in a mini size. And then I think it comes with like a regular sunscreen and a glow stick that has SPF. So I ordered a nothing bundt cake for Mother's Day, and I have to pick that up today at 10 a.m. It's currently like 9:30-ish. So I just want to finish cleaning the bathroom real quick so that these two like important things are done. And then while I'm out getting the cake, I want to stop by Starbucks and like get something like a little breakfast. And then I also need to stop by Smith's. I have like a list on my phone of stuff that I need because they are getting here tonight. So I just want to make sure that I have like water bottles and like sodas because we are gonna have a carne asada tomorrow. So we're probably gonna go to the store tomorrow. For sure, we're gonna go to the store tomorrow. But I just want to have like little things for them tonight. So yeah, I think I only have to go to Smith's, but like I said, I'll bring you guys along. So right now I'm just gonna clean the bathroom super quick. So I'm gonna start by vacuuming in here. So I'm gonna wash the rugs. Okay, so the bathroom is completely clean. I just am waiting for the rugs because I'm still washing blankets, so I can't wash the rugs just yet, but everything is clean in here. So I'm just gonna get my purse, put my shoes on, and head over to Nothing Bundt Cake. Okay, I'm here at Nothing Bundt Cakes. I pre-ordered my cake. I just picked up the cake and look at how pretty it looks. I got strawberries and cream, and it has this lavender flower on top. It's so pretty. They wrapped it in like this plastic. So now I'm gonna head over to Target because there's a Starbucks in there and I can just get the stuff that I need from Target, because I don't think I need anything specific from Smith's, so I'm just gonna go to Target. Oh my god, guys, I'm finally home. That was a really annoying trip. So I said I was gonna go to Target, but I actually ended up going to Smith's because I remembered they also have a Starbucks inside. And then I remembered that we saw this patio umbrella base that was on sale for $24. But we saw it when we were exiting last weekend, so I kept thinking like, okay, I'm gonna go buy it, because the one that I just got from Amazon, it actually broke. So it's one of the base that I had is one of those that you fill with water or sand. So we filled it up with water and it was doing fine. And then one day it got insanely windy, like so bad. And when I got home from work, the umbrella had like tilted sideways and it had landed on a chair. So it didn't fall all the way to the ground, but the umbrella falling bent the base and made like a crack, and so all the water started coming out. So now it's like impossible to fill it with water because the water will come out. So that's why I wanted to get a new base, and I wanted to have it like ready for this weekend so we can have the patio umbrella up. And so that's why I went to Smith's, because I remembered that. But then when I got to Smith's, I didn't realize that the base is actually heavy. Like, it's not one that you fill, it's just one that's already heavy. So when I went to lift it, I was like, oh my god, this is so heavy. And so I had to carry that to the cart. And then I went to buy waters, and the 40 pack just felt so heavy too, and I'm like sweating from like carrying all these heavy things. And then I bought Starbucks when I first walked in. I probably should have waited till I left, but my drink, like I had my drink and I didn't know where to put it because there's no cup holder on the cart. And so like there was a couple times where my cup like tilted and I almost dropped it. And so it was just very annoying. And then for some reason I parked far from the store. So I had to like walk all the way to the car, and it's like super hot right now. It's like high 90s. And so yeah, now I'm finally home. I'm sweating. I left the things in the car because I'm like, I am not lifting all those heavy things right now again. But I'm gonna eat my Starbucks, and then, oh, let me show you guys. So I bought this balloon at Smith's. It's so pretty. It says Happy Mother's Day, and it kind of matches like the cake. Let me show you guys how the cake looks up close. So this is what it looks like. Let me put it over here. It's so pretty, and it has a little card here that says a gift for you. And what does it say inside? Let me see. Oh, it's empty, so I get to write a message on it. And then it just says best mom around, and I got it for up to 18 servings, I think. So I got like the medium size one, and it was like $40 around there. So I just attached the balloon, and that's another part that was so annoying because I bought this balloon at Smith's, and I also got it when I first walked into Smith's. So the balloon, like I had to put it on my car, and it just kept like hitting me on my face because I didn't know where else to put it. Like I didn't want to just like carry it because I also had my Starbucks. It was just like a lot. But like I said, I'm gonna eat my Starbucks and probably watch like a little bit of TV and cool down because I am sweating right now. And then I still have to clean downstairs, so I'll have to clean the kitchen, the living room. The living room shouldn't be too much. I just need to vacuum the sofa, and then that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna clean our bedroom because there's no point. Like, my family's coming later tonight, so we're just gonna, no one's gonna see our room. We're just gonna go to sleep. So yeah, probably later when Jay comes home, we can set up the yard, because like I said, it gets super windy here, so we currently have weights on our patio swing, just because one time the swing did flip over, so we put weights, and ever since then, like, it has not moved an inch. So we're gonna probably remove the weights, or I don't know if we should wait till tomorrow when we actually use the yard, because I don't know if you guys can tell by the trees, but it's pretty windy today. So I don't know, I'll see when Jay comes. And then I do have this table on the side, so we can probably move the table and the chairs back, because the chairs also were moving from the wind. Like, the wind is super strong out here. So yeah, and then we can put the patio umbrella. So I don't know, I'll see when he gets home what he thinks we should do. But yes, I'm gonna eat my Starbucks, and then I'll see you guys when I start cleaning my kitchen. I'm done eating my Starbucks, so I'm gonna clean the living room now. I'm just gonna vacuum the sofa, wipe down the coffee table, vacuum, and that should be it. This is the house clean now. It took me like almost 2 hours, like an hour and a half to clean, but the living room is done. And then the kitchen. And I vacuumed and mopped. Look at how pretty the cake and balloon look. And then I also cleaned the powder room. So I cleaned the toilet, the sink, mopped in here, put a fresh new hand towel. So now I'm probably gonna eat a snack or something, because I'm like hungry. And then when Jay comes home, we'll see if we set up the backyard. So it is kind of windy, but we brought out the tree. And we put the cushions on the swing. And then we also put the patio umbrella. This is the new base, but it actually wasn't that heavy, so we had to add pavers to it, because I really think it's gonna fall, because it's super windy. So I'm scared it's gonna break, even though it's made out of cement. But it only weighs 25 pounds. So I don't know, I'm scared it's still gonna fall. Hopefully the pavers help it. And then we put the table here, brought out the chairs from the garage. And then tomorrow when we actually eat out here, I'll clean the table, set it up. I'll probably end up bringing like the bigger table out here. But for now, I just wanted to set it up so that we didn't have to do all this tomorrow when we actually eat out here. And then inside the house, this is what it looks like right now. I have all my lamps on. I'm just in here chilling with the AC on, watching Drag Race. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for them to get here,